Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to log out from Truecaller app. Alright, it's very easy, so let's get started. First step you have to take guys is to of course open the Truecaller app, and if you want to log out from the app, this is what you have to do. If you look around here from the app, if you click on the three lines at the top right corner, you will notice that you have this settings option right there. If you click on that and go through all these options, you won't be able to see anything like logout, right? So you can't directly log out from the app. Okay, so this is what you simply have to do. If you want to log out from the Truecaller app, you have to go out from the app entirely, and then what you just have to do is to click and hold on the app, and then you are going to see this option right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, from here you just have to scroll all the way down to storage, this one right here. So click on storage, and then you have to click on this clear data option. Go ahead and confirm that. So once you're done with that, go back, and then you are going to see this first stop right here. Click on that first stop option, and once you do that, just go out from here and click on the Truecaller app again to open. So once you open it, you'll notice that you are logged out from the app. So this is how you can actually log out from the Truecaller app. Okay, if you want to get started, you can just go ahead and click on the get started button, and you log in again. So that's it guys on how to log out from Truecaller app. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.